Hi, here in this video I am going to demo how to install TypeScript. That's a typed superset of JavaScript in Windows 10 operating system. I'm opening Google and search. If you type TypeScript, if you type TypeScript lang, we can see typescriptlang.org. Here we can see download option. TypeScript is a typed superset of JavaScript. It's from Microsoft. Here I'm clicking download. Here we can see get TypeScript. The command line TypeScript compiler can be installed as a Node.js package. Copy this command. I have already installed Node.js command. Here paste the command. Enter. Now we have installed TypeScript 3.9.7. Now if you type TSC, that is TypeScript compiler, we should get the options with the compiler. I hope you got some idea about how to install TypeScript. The other operating system also is similar way. If you have installed Node, you can do this particular command. I hope this particular tutorial is useful. Thanks for watching this.